Most people think they need more money to promote their products. But what if I told you that the main problem is not your budget, but the type of ebook that you are creating? In this video, I will show you the type of ebook that requires less budget to promote. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. Phem. In this channel, I create content on how to use AI to create and sell digital products. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So let's dive into the real matter. One mistake beginners make is creating an ebook just because they have an idea. But before writing any ebook, ask yourself this question. Will people need my help after reading this ebook? If your answer is yes, then you are on the right track. People don't pay for information, they pay for transformation. So instead of creating random ebook, why don't you create an ebook around your skill? For example, if you know how to run Facebook ads, how to design, how to bake cake, or how to make hair, you can package this idea and turn it to digital product. Now, let me tell you one secret. If you create a digital product around your skill, you can start building community from there, and there is 99.9% that people will come looking for your service. This is where many people miss it. Don't stop at selling your ebook alone. Create a WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group where people can continue learning and they will come for your service at any time. This increases the trust and give people more reason to buy from you. Now let me give you 5 examples of ebooks that are easier to promote. The reason they are easy to sell is because you are not just selling an ebook. You are creating an opportunity for people to continue learning from you. And the first idea on my list is what I call Facebook ads. Let's say you are good at running Facebook ads. You can create an ebook that teaches the fundamentals of Facebook advertising, but don't stop there. Create a WhatsApp group or a WhatsApp channel and also answer their questions. Now, people are not just paying for an ebook, they are joining a learning community. Number 2 is Canva graphic design. If you're a graphic designer, you can create an ebook that teaches the basics of Canva. After they buy the ebook, invite them into your community where you teach new design techniques every week. This keeps people engaged and give them more value than a PDF alone. And trust me, with this community that you are about to build, you can start generating money because people will come looking for your service. Number 3 is CV writing. You can create an ebook that teaches people how to write a professional CV, but after they buy it, continue helping them by reviewing their CVs, giving corrections, preparing them for interviews, and sharing job opportunities. That support makes your offer much more attractive. And number 4 is cake baking. If you are into baking, create an ebook that teaches the basics of cake baking. Then build a community where you share a new recipe, pricing strategies, cake decoration tips, and even live baking demonstration. People will keep coming back because they are learning continuously. And number 5 is wig making. If you know how to make wigs, package your knowledge into an ebook. Invite buyers to your community where you teach practical techniques, recommend materials, and answer questions, and also share your business tips on getting customers. Instead of selling only ebook, you are building a relationship with your audience. So guys, before you create your next ebook, ask yourself just one question. Can I build a community around this topic? If your answer is yes, you have found yourself an ebook that is easier to promote and sell. In our live session, I will explain the strategy in full details and show you how to choose the right ebook idea before you spend your money on advertising. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.